Slides 9 through 11 is working on your menu planner and your shopping list. Some things to keep in mind is you need to eat at least 3 times a day. Plan a balanced and healthy meal. So keep the food plate or my plate in mind. And if you do choose to eat out or take out or delivery, do not do so more than twice in your week planner. All right, so the next slide on slide 10. You're going to click in these boxes and put some food information. What you need to make sure you realize is it said 3 times. So if you don't normally eat breakfast, you should at least have a snack in the afternoon or evening. For example, I would type cereal. And again, if anything's wrong, right click it to fix it. And lunch, I'm going to say I have sandwich. And then dinner, maybe we have stir fry. Okay. I'm not going to have a snack that day, so I'll just leave it blank. And then go throughout all these. If for whatever reason one of the boxes gets deleted, just copy a box from one of the other areas and paste it down where you need it. Or you can even make a new text box. If you just copy and paste, they'll be the same size. All right, so you'll do that for the whole week, Monday through Sunday. When you're done building your list, then you're going to need to figure out what you need for those items. So for breakfast, I can probably last on a cereal box the entire week if that's what I decide to have. So I'm going to need to figure out how to do my shopping list. And to do that, you're going to go on to slide 11 and read some of your directions. Using your 1-week menu plan, write down the items you will need to make your meals in your finance sheet known as the shopping and grocery list. Look at that tab. Find the cost of the items by going either onto the basic grocery list on my website or going through walmart.com or any other stores. You can even go to the stores to find the prices. And when you've factored in your monthly grocery costs, don't forget to include it on your slide 3. Okay, so I'm going to go into my sheets, open up the grocery shopping list. It already has a few items located in here as well. You're not going to need to buy toothpaste every week, but it will also help you for maybe spices that you forgot to include for one of your meals, or in case you forgot something, it will sort of make up a little bit of the difference. So what you're going to do is I'm going to type my cereal. All right, I'm going to find my cereal. If it's not in here, which basically is just a big picture of main costs for some grocery items, it does tell me right here how much roughly one box is. It says about $4 a box. I could also search Walmart and find the food, the specific food even that I'm looking for. So maybe I like Special K. And I can find out how much it should be worth. If you find it and choose the one you want, do notice though, right here it says a 2-pack. All right, so you should be buying 1 pack at a time. All right, about $4 or $5. So I go back to my sheet, cereal price for 1 serving or for the week. So for the week, about a $4 box is going to survive for me. I only need 1 of them for the entire week. And there it goes, it brings my estimate up. Now for my sandwich, you're going to need to figure out what you put on your sandwich. You're going to need bread, some kind of meat normally, cheese, maybe lettuce, tomatoes, whatever it is that you use to make your sandwich, you'll need to find the cost for that. Now realize, if you buy all that from the store, you're going to have leftovers and it's going to make more than 1 sandwich. So you could have sandwiches multiple times throughout the week, or you could use those ingredients for other things that you make throughout the week. So maybe you want to make a salad. You can use that lettuce that you bought for your sandwich to put into a salad. So if that's the case, realize if you buy lettuce, buy 1 head of it, and then you can use it for multiple meals instead of buying 2 heads of lettuce, for 1 for lettuce, or 1 for your sandwich and 1 for your salad. Go through all the way for your entire sheet. Make sure you include all the things you need. And stir fry is the same thing. You'll need maybe rice and some vegetables and some meat, and look up some ingredients or recipes and find out how they make their stir fry in case maybe you need to buy vegetable oil, or if you need to buy salt and pepper or some kind of seasoning, you can find out how much that costs as well. And again, include it on your list. All right. This will bring up what your weekly balance would be. So every week what you would spend, this would be your total estimate for the whole month. There's about 4 weeks in a month. So this is going to multiply what your cost is here by 4 to give you what an estimate could be for your grocery shopping each month. For a typical one house, you're expected to pay around 200, maybe up to 400, depending on what you're choosing. Each month to pay for groceries. It should be closer to around the 200 mark. If you're getting a little too high, you might need to cut back on that expensive food that you're buying. All right. When you're done with that, you're going to make sure that you go back to your slide 3 and include what your monthly cost for grocery is, not your weekly, your monthly. Remember, all these are monthly costs. Okay. That's slide 9 through 11.